Hello everyone, thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Boolean type in JavaScript and the concept of truthy values, or the concept of truth in JavaScript. Now, in case you didn't know, Boolean can have one of two values that can be either true or false.
I do know that.
So to put that into code, we could say something like, if we were to take the example of a light switch, and light switch would be either on or off, so let on equals true and off equals false. So that is one of two values, true or false. So the way we would use that is possibly in an if statement. So we could say something like if on, and then we could log that out by saying log light is on. Or we could say if off, so we've negated the off with an exclamation mark there, which basically means not, because the statements within the if will only work if the condition there is true. So we're basically saying not off, so we're forcing the off to be true. So we could say here log light is off. So if we were to run that, let's name a new variable called state. Light state equals true equals on, and then replace these both conditions with light state. Okay, so what does that give us now? Light state equals on, and let's leave the negation there. So we can see here the light is on, and if we were to change that to off, which value is to false, we will get light is off. In JavaScript, you don't have to use the Boolean value true or false or in order to indicate truth within JavaScript. Essentially, any and every value will result in a Boolean value. So by that I mean we have values that can be seen as false and values that can be seen as true. So within JavaScript, to list them out, these are the falsy values. So they are 0, of course, null, undefined, not a number, and a blank string. Everything apart from this is true, so we can actually test that. So everything else is true, including some weird ones, so which might not make sense immediately. So an empty object, an empty array is true, a space is true, false as a string is true. So that's what they will look like. So we can take these, so we can test these. So let's get rid of this and put in a new if statement, and output something. Okay, so everything else apart from these values here are seen as true. So if again we came up here and use negation here to flip the Boolean value, the Boolean result of the values, so we could say 0, it runs. If we say null, it runs. Let's just do one more. Oh, we didn't like that. What happened there? Spelling error. You can't spell. There we go. Okay, that's all for now. I'm going to try to keep videos much shorter in future so that they're a bit more succinct. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.